gonna be like another video. It's not gonna be a gaming video. It's not gonna be a growing video, but it's going to be what is it called? Unboxing video. So let's unbox it then. So I don't need to unbox it. There's just like a little thing here. So in here there's like the Explorer and everything, really. So now let's see what I need to do. So let's go to the next page. Not this, not this. This is all of the how to do it. So in this, so you need, for this one you actually need the tubes. So I'm gonna just get this ready. So like we have like the mini tube holder thingy. So I'm just gonna do it if I can. Why is it so? Where's all the other stuff? Oh, there. So for the tubes, it says to again. It's called a tube test. So I need to. So it'll react if I get some water. Get some water and then put some sand in it. So I'm quickly gonna get some water. So I have the water. So I got the water here and it says to fill the other half with sand. How am I supposed to do this? So be careful using I'm just gonna move it. Wait, I don't think it's here. I'm just gonna move the books down. So I'm going to cut this. Hopefully it doesn't spill. It probably will. So I need to carefully put. No, it's spilling a lot. So what? How much am I supposed to put? It doesn't tell me how much. Oh. I'm definitely gonna clean after this. So that's. I bet that's good enough at least. So now I need to. How am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna put it here so it doesn't fit. So now what do I need to do? So now I need to get some. I need to go again to get some more water again. So now I need to cut the iron powder. Wait, what kind of powder is this? This is like gravel. Okay, I think that's enough. Definitely enough. So put this here. What's happening? So on the next page, Leo, be quiet. So on the next page, you need to. What is this? So I think I need. What is this? Apparently I was doing it wrong. I had to mix it together. And remember the thing in the eyes, that was a different task. So I have like the sand one there. So now I have the iron powder here. So I need to put the sand in the iron powder. Like a little bit of sand. Okay, maybe not a little. It's not going in. Okay. I need to clean this out. So now I need to put like this little thing in, and I'll shake it. What? It turned completely dark. So now I'll take this off, put it in here. Whoa, that looks so cool. It like reflects. So now it's not going out. Come out! Wait. Why isn't it? Come. Yes, finally I done it. So now, yeah, I think I need this to collect all of the stuff. Yeah, it's actually collecting. All getting fluffy. Am I doing this right? I feel like I'm doing it wrong.
Doing this right.
I was doing it wrong again. We finally found the paper to drain the water. So after like 1 hour, we could come back to you. And then we will be able to do it. So I need to be perfect. So there, but it's only draining the water. So now look, we have all the iron in, wait, not all, there's some left. Yeah, so now we have all the iron in here. So now I'm gonna do it again. Come out. It's all sandy.
Oh, shiny.
Is you making fun of me? So now I have the iron. I'll come back to you in 1 hour.
1 hour later!
So it's been 1.5 hours or 2. So now I think I could separate the iron and the sand. You could see like there's loads of sand in here. So it'll be really hard to like do it. I hope I'm doing it right. So what? It's actually sticking. I don't know if you guys can see, but it used to be a little fluffy. Now look at it. It's so like big, and look, it's not coming off. So yeah, it's coming back. But as you know, it's all still covered with sand. Now it's like a mini hair. This is so cool. So it's grown like so much. It used to be like this big, and now it's like this big. What do I do this? Yeah, let's go. It's like a hoover, but it's like a hoover, but it'll stick, but only what will stick like something like. And after this, I'll see if I'm gonna put all the iron in the other bag. It's growing too. Is that all the iron? It's not coming out. I'm not talking that much. Look, oh my god, it's so hard to move my hand because I touched this stuff. It's all black. I don't know if you could see. Look, it's really grabbable. Can see, like, can the camera see, cameraman? Like, yeah? You can see this, right? It's really grabbable. This is proof it's not just like fluffy. Look, it goes right off. See? It's coming right off. See? And look. Can see that? And it's all back. Should I put this in a tube?
Come on.
I need to separate it. So is there any here? No. I feel like this is gonna take a long time. Whoa. Still taking it. If I do this, and here, because this is the more irony side. So I'm gonna spill it here, like the iron, but this is too much iron. On the sand. Wait, I'm just gonna try and separate it. This is black. Actually, today's experiment, it's called what is it called? Like separating the iron and the sand. So this is the end of the video. This will be continued. Thanks for watching. Peace.